Hey guys, welcome to another recipe on Guyanese Guyana. It's your host, Guyanese and Molly here. Today we are bringing you something simple but delicious, and it's fried ripe plantains. We're gonna be doing that today. We have our plantains, we have salt, so let's get started. So first of all, Mom is gonna peel the plantains. So these fried ripe plantains, my friends, goes nice on cook-up rice. A lot of people like to have it that way. You can of course have this for breakfast with something else, with some eggs and things like that. So this is the way it's usually sliced, the fried or ripe plantains. So then you want to have something big like this basin here, because you're gonna add your salt and shake it up to distribute the salt. So it's the opposite here. With plantain chips, you salt after you fry. Ripe plantains, you salt before you fry. Okay guys, so we have our oil here which is already hot, so we're gonna start frying now. So for this here, you don't want to overcrowd the pan, just leave some space. And this is enough for this batch. Okay guys, so our first side is done. It's time to flip. Okay guys, so our first batch is done. And that's what they look like. Okay guys, so here is our fried ripe plantains, all done, looking yummy. Yes, as I said guys, people like to have this on cook-up rice. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it with eggs, boiled eggs, and any which way you like, anytime you like. So if you like this video guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a video. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.